I bought the Q-Scan Plus today and I'd like to see together with you if it's useful. Love unboxing. Oh wow, look at this. On, off, the manual, charger. What's this? Must be the mouthpiece. Handy, so the blue light doesn't shine in your eyes. Now, I'm curious, let's see. If I've got red spots, that means it's plaque. So I need to brush better. I don't have much, but just a little bit. You see? I actually bought it for my kids to see if they're brushing well enough. My eldest son has brackets. Oh, hang on. Peter! Peter! Sit down, please.
What's that?
Q-Scan Plus, so I can see if you brush your teeth well.
Yeah, that. Does it hurt?
No, not at all, sweetheart. Show me your teeth. You've got a little bit of dental plaque. It's not easy to brush with brackets, I know, but you're doing a good job. You really need to brush these red spots a little better, otherwise it could become holes. Now, check for yourself, and I'll get your system. Cool!
Let me!
Be careful. Oh, you've been brushing really well. Only got one red spot. We need to brush that well. Check for yourself. Okay, let's brush our teeth. Come on. Have you got the Q-Scan?